We create a blank PowerPoint file to talk about Slide Master view. By the help of Slide Master, you can consider a theme for your presentation, and this theme will remain steady from the beginning to the end, and it won't be changed, and it will make your task easier. It is not okay to have a logo in all the slides, but if you get a PowerPoint file and you see that a logo is repeated in all the slides and you can't delete or select it, it is because the logo that you see in the normal view and you can't change it is in the Slide Master view. To delete it, you should click on Slide Master from the View tab. That a page like this opens for you in order to be able to select that element and change or delete it. But when we open the Slide Master, we will face with this kind of page. We have just one Slide Master in this file. As you see, one Slide Master that is in the main Slide Master and some other sub-branch slides of our master. When we want to create a new slide, we can use one of them. Like in this one, you can have the contents for footer, the number of slides, the text of the footer and date. It doesn't give us any place to add the content. This can be the good option when you want to have a blank slide or other parts are like this. There are footers, and in this way it divided the slide into 3 parts. As you see, there are different ways that you can design them separately. You know, if you add any elements in the first slide, it will be repeated, and also you can design each slides too. And if you click on Insert Slide Master, on Other Slide Master is created for you. As you see, when a Slide Master is created, the number 2 was put next to it. The previous one, Slide Master 1 and Slide Master 2. If you make Slide Masters here and specialize its theme, and when you exit Slide Master and go to the Home tab and be in the Layout section, all the Slide Masters are here. Well, I go to the Slide Master again to study the different options together, and we will come back to the Home tab to see how does it show the work that we have done here. Now I select the first Slide Master, and by the help of the Insert Layout option, you can add a layout to your Slide Master to do the related changes, and then by the help of Delete key, you can delete it. Now, by the help of the options such as theme, color, font, effect, and background styles, we can give different effects to our Slide Master that they will be saved in our Slide Masters and we can use them. In the color section, do you remember we make a palette with our name? We can select our color palette or use the fonts that we made. These are the options that we talked about them previously. And here, in the slide size part, we can change the size of our slides in this way. Now I select the 4:2:3, the standard mode for it, and as you see, the Slide Master and some branch slides are changes to the thing that I selected, like the size, color, and even its font. You can also edit these slides too. For example, I selected one of these sub-branch slides and I can delete the tick for the title and footer. As you see, I also have access to this option separately. And by the help of Insert Placeholder, I can enter different content like text, picture, chart, table, smart art, media, and online images to the master sub-slides. In this way, you can make a master slide and edit the sub-branch slides of it. And when you want to exit, click on Close Master Slide. And when you want to create a new slide, if you go to the new slide, as you see the different options of slide masters that you have made and use it.